pillars of steel on the concrete floor where the legends are real. He sighs and he grunts, he mumbles and hums, counting our time like the beat of the drums, searching for gold in the paper's white grain, etching his soul in the digital rain. Book so steady, stuck so rhythmic, tick so precise, talk fantastic. Book through the floor, stuck through the mind, tick in our heads, one of a kind. We feed him the sheets, pure, white and cold, the thick and the thin, the new and the old. His arm starts to swing, he grabs with a grip. Give it to me, he won't let it slip. 1,000 orders, he's ready to fight, mechanical heart burning bright in the night. First job, the foil shining bright, second embossing, heat in the light, third job numbering line by line, fourth the die cut, cutting so fine, and the fifth the ink, the scent of the trade, through the spinning rollers the magic is made. Let 1,000 digitals come to the hall. With their microchips, they're nothing at all. No matter how hard they try to compete, Iron Grandpa will never retreat. He's a craftsman, he's made of steel. Lasers will burn, but he is the real. No short circuits, no system error. He's the machine, the digital's terror. System failure, processor's dead. Grandpa's still printing a mile ahead. From motor to belts, the energy flows, printing like back in the days, and he knows the metal is clanking. It hits and